Hey YouTube, I'm replacing the rear brake pads on the back of my Honda Pilot because this old Raybestos brake pad that I had on there just kind of completely came apart. The brake pad separated from the backing plate, started making a bunch of noise. So I'm having to do this last minute, so I ran over to Advanced Auto Parts and picked up their Carquest Wearever Gold Series brake pads. And I'm pretty impressed so far. These are the GNA D865. They're the ceramic brake pads. They come with all brand new clips that look really good, and then the brake pads themselves look pretty decent. I have a feeling they're made by Wagner because they sort of look like the Wagner thermoquiets, but I'm not really sure. But they look great. Here's the other side. So this is the inner brake pad. Again, these are the Wearever Gold Carquest brake pads from Advanced Auto Parts. All right, well, thanks for looking.